Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave Tech YouTube channel, and in this particular video, I'll be showing you my various ways that I install applications to my Google TV. So if you're a Google TV user or you own a Google TV, then I'll be showing you the ways that you can go through on your device to install any application that you're looking for and never struggle to find an application again. So if you find the video helpful, please do well to like, subscribe and share so that you encourage us to be able to create more videos like this. So with that said, let's get started. So here's my Google TV and I'm using the On TV box. Google TV is one of the leading uh, Android TVs lately, and many people are switching to the Google TV platform. If you've not yet switched, then I highly recommend you switch to Google TV. It is smooth, it is efficient, it is fast compared to other Android TV boxes, and the system is open. What I mean by that is that you will be able to install or sideload applications to your Google TV, something that you might find difficult to do on your Fire Stick lately. That's why lots of people or lots of Fire TV users are now switching to their Google TV. If you want to get yourself your Google TV box or a sample like On TV box, On TV stick, or any Google TV, check the description of this video. I have attached a couple of Google TV devices you can get for yourself. So anyway, that's it. Let's get started. So what I want to show you in this video is, if you are a Google TV user or you're a new Google TV user, what are the various ways that you can follow on your Google TV to get yourself applications that you want? Now, this can depend on the kind of application that you want, but the very first and obvious option is always going to the Google Play Store to get your applications from it. But most of the times, you might not find all the applications that you're looking for on your Google Play Store, and I'll be showing you what to do when you get to something like that at the end of this video. So, the very first step is going over to your Google Play Store and just search for application, which is simple. Go over to this option over here, type the name of application that you're looking for. Let's say for instance, I'm looking for VLC. You can go over here, type in the name of application that you're looking for, and you might find the application if it's available on the Google Play Store. So as you can see, for instance, here's the VLC application here where you can install from the Google Play Store. Now, if you're wondering how do you completely open the Google Play Store on your Google TV, like there is no embed application that says Google Play Store. If you want to open the Google Play Store on your Google TV, it's very simple. What you have to do is go over to your settings over here and go over to full settings. Now come down to apps. Under apps, you're going to click on see all apps and it shows system apps. Now once you're here, you're going to browse down a little bit. Just browse down till you find an option that says Google Play Store. So browse down, just it's right down. Oh, maybe I fast it. Alright, so let's go back up. Alright, so here's it. So you can see here's the Google Play Store over here. You can open it and you'll be able to get access to all Google Play applications from here. So here's the Google Play, and this is how you can open it. You can go over here, you can choose games and search and whatever. So that's how you can open the Google Play Store on your Google TV. Anyway, so that is the very first way to get applications. Now, if you want to sideload applications, that one is a different thing, and let me show you how to do that on your Google TV. So the very first thing, go back to your settings and go over to your about. Before you sideload applications on your Google TV, you need to make sure that your Google TV has turned on developer option. To do that, go over to your settings, click on about, and in the about, you're going to go down to the Android TV OS build. This is it over here. Now click on it 5 times until you see a pop-up below that says no need, you are already a developer. Once you see this option, then the developer option is activated and you can start sideloading applications to your Google TV. Now, if you don't know what sideloading application means, it means installing applications from third-party sources. So it's very simple, and there are some applications that you can use. As you can see on my screen here are some top app stores that I use. There is this one, and this one. If you want me to show you how to install any of them, there are videos on my YouTube channel that will help you get that. So it is very simple. Now downloader, this is a download application. If you're wondering how I got the download application, it is very simple. Just search for it on your Play Store or your Google TV app, and you're going to find it over here. So upon where I say downloader, and you're going to find the download application after I've typed it down here. So downloader, here's it, search, and you get the application just over here. So here's it, and that's how I got the download application to my Google TV. Now, so once you're over here, you can come here and search for any application or anything that you want. Let's say, for instance, you want to search for an APK of an application. You can come over here, type in APK. Let's say, for instance, you're looking for Kodi, type in Kodi APK, APK, and search. And this acts like a browser. You're going to see the options to get the Kodi application APK from here. So as you can see, here's it. Here's the Kodi application where you can install this for Fire TV Duo, where you can search what options for Android TV or Google TV. But anyway, I'm just showing you how you can use your browser to search certain applications. But please, if you're looking for ways to install lots of applications to your Google TV, just go back to your download application, come down to the code section and type in this code 72609, and this is going to bring you to a couple of app stores on the internet that you can use to get lots of applications, tools, streaming devices, and so on that you can use on your Google TV to get the best experience that you are looking for. So here's it. It's called All Stores by Best Stores on the Internet, brought to you by Joe Maxwell. So this is a very important code that I use a lot. As you can see, all of these are different app stores that you can use for your Google TV to sideload applications, especially if you're looking for applications that are not available on the Google Play Store. So you're going to find many applications here. Anyway, let me just show you a sample. So for instance, if you're looking for let's say tools, I'll go over to this third option over here. And if you're looking for, let's say, tools or browsers, then you go over here, click on tools. You're going to see lots of Android TV tools that you can install to your Google TV or sideload to your Google TV. And a word of advice, please, when sideloading applications from here, make sure you install applications that are updated this year or of recent. So always look at the dates over here. So these are tools. You can go over to other categories of applications. There is music, there is movie, there is live, there is games, there's browsers, there is media players if that's what you're looking for. So for instance, I go over to media players over here and just hover your mouse to where it talks of media players and then click on it. So anyway, that's it there. Click on media players. You're going to see lots of media players over here. You can install to your Google TV. Please always install the latest versions. So this is how you can install applications. And if you know of this of various methods that I've showed you, I believe that even as a new Google TV user, you're not going to struggle to get any application that you want on your Google TV. So the code is 72609. I just quickly close that, 72609, and it brings you straight away to that website, and you're going to find any application that you're looking for as a new Google TV user. So that's it about this video, and I believe if you watch the video right up to this end, you already know how to get any application that you want on Google TV. The very first step is to go over to your Google Play Store, search for the application. If you don't find it there, you go over to this option over here. There are 12 different stores here, and one of these stores is definitely going to have the application that you're looking for. So if you're a new Google TV user and you really want me to explain how to use this, let me know. Just comment in the comment section and I'll create another video on how to fully use these app stores over here to get applications. So that's it. If you find it helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.